Do you need your thing down?
No, I got my hat on properly now that I can focus on the screen. Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. As always, if you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
We need to be in the right lane at the roundabout.
Yep.
I keep going for the stock because I've been driving my car so much.
My ex-loaner, I did the same thing. I'll probably do the same once I have rental cars every once in a while when I travel.
Right? That transition of, no.
It's gonna take some time.
It does. It's nice.
I really do like it.
My hand never has to leave the wheel if I don't want it to.
Yeah.
That is a nice safety experience.
Yeah.
For anyone that doesn't understand why you want stockless.
All right, we need to be in the right lane.
And it's, nope.
And it's already selecting the incorrect lane. We'll try to re-engage for the hell of it, but sometimes it's not worth it.
Come on. Nope.
Manual drive through.
I was just gonna try again. I was like, nope, no, thank you. Wonder if it's gonna dive into the turn lane again. Really?
In other words, take it, way too soon.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Doing okay?
Yep.
Phantom braking.
Slow it down for what? I wonder if it thought that car was going to turn in front of us.
I think it did. Nope.
It is going to try to take the turn lane too soon. I felt that.
Yeah. Well, it turned the turn signal on and everything.
It can do it here. This is appropriate.
Hesitation.
Yeah. Needs to wait. Good. Got an opportunity to go here. Good. Not bad. Not great.
Not flawless, though, as some people like to claim.
Not buttery smooth.
Very hesitant.
Yeah.
But it's usually like that the first couple of times.
On new builds.
On new builds, yeah.
Yep.
It's kind of like the brain's waking up and going, oh, yeah. That's how I do that.
Pretty day, though.
Very pretty.
God, pretty day.
Nice January day.
Oh my God, this is a pretty day. I'm serious, it does. It even looks like it, feels like it, everything. Like, it's so gorgeous. This is gorgeous.
I know, I just love my color.
Yeah, it was 100% awesome. Yes. 100 emoji.
Oh, they're going to be doing road work here eventually, it looks like. I don't know what they're going to do. Home for sale. Drip. Lapierre. I did love that they added that, not on this build, but on the previous build, the like your destination might be closed, or you're getting close to like closing time.
Oh yeah, There was a lot of people that commented about that.
I really like that.
Yeah, I agree. It was a nice little touch. I like with the holiday update that they added the additional routing options.
Yeah, that is nice.
Yeah.
Because I've been complaining about that when I've been wanting to leave work and wanting to go a different route.
Totally. I get that. Well, because remember, it used to be that you had the options and then you were committed to those options.
Yeah.
After you started your navigation.
Yep. And you had to do what I always do, which is disengage, manually drive it, force it to reroute. Left turn. I do wish that it would signal slightly sooner. Wide turn there.
Yeah,
I do wish that it would signal slightly sooner. It feels very last minute.
Okay.
Like, oh yeah, turn. If it goes diving into the
pothole?
Yeah, and the deep gravel.
Yes. Both are fair disengagements. I think that pothole's right here.
It is. Yep. Gotten bigger.
Yeah, no kidding.
At what point do we call it a sinkhole?
This is nothing like those potholes, though, that I saw in Spokane at the service center. Holy night.
Yeah. Spokane has horrendous potholes.
Oh my god. Like, I thought, seriously, I was going to die.
Yeah. You don't really need to take the truck off-roading, you just need to drive it up to Spokane.
Oh, shit. Oh my god.
Drive it up to Spokane.
Oh my god.
Doing okay?
Yeah. Good on battery, everything.
Beautiful day.
Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous.
Tell you what, you listen to Christmas carols for 2 months, they definitely get stuck in your head. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Someone said the joke one time about how a certain genre of music was a lot like Christmas music. If it was any good, they'd play it at all times of the year.
You made that joke.
Yes.
I don't know if you heard that from someone, but I've heard you say that joke.
Yes.
All right, here we go. Deep gravel time. Does it dive into the deep gravel?
So we need to take this turn by not cutting into that right lane. Yeah. And the reason we don't want to do that is, you'll see, is because there's massive gravel there, and it's
chunky rock. Like the kind that our neighbor has in his lawn.
Yeah, and it's just not something that you want to drive a Model S through.
I don't even know if I'd want to drive the truck through it.
Cybertruck? I don't know. I probably wouldn't care as much.
If you saw the big giant, like, rubble that was there, I just wouldn't want to drive my tires over if I don't have to.
That's fair. Fair criticisms.
Like, unless I'm purposely taking my car off-road and I'm anticipating that. Certified organic vineyards. Can you imagine the smell at harvest time living next to a vineyard?
I'm sure that'd be awesome.
It would not be awesome during the fertilizing time.
No.
Especially if it's an organic, that means they use real poop. Or manure.
That's going to be a funny audio clip later.
We're just going to go a little faster.
Now we know why your students watch this channel.
Because I say poop. We say poop in class, not what we're talking about. Stop being poo-poo head. We gotta come back up this way and see where those people built their house.
Sounds good.
And if you're those people, yes, we are stalking you.
Hell yeah.
And we'd like an invite. I heard there's an open house of some sort.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, because they built down that way. In the West Cliff.
One of the polish homes. Actually, I don't know what builder that is.
Whenever we say polish, I always think of the characters from Jumanji. Alright, does it do the jerk move where it jerks the
Yeah,
wheel?
it's been weird on the last couple of videos here. We're on this
I'm
road.
prepared. It's right here. It's usually like right in this area. No? We're good? We're not gonna freak out? That was a smooth turn though. I'm like one little dog. Sorry. I'm reaching my required white woman stage of life of Diet Cokes and small dogs. All hail the Diet Coke.
Interesting. I wouldn't have guessed that.
I don't know what it is, I swear to God. Lori said she went through this stage too, so did Kim.
Well, as we come to the end of our drive, I want to thank you for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another Tesla aerial full self-drive perspective of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. Again, if you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
And sorry for the poo-poo talk.
Oh, I dropped the F-bomb on our channel multiple times. I'm pretty sure that
Same poo.
is the least of our worries.
Poo-poo.
The least of our worries.
Do it because there's a guy walking. Plus, it was really, really jerky.
That is a fair criticism of.
My ears popped.